So guys, for the first step, once you're on OBS, you want to look at your audio mixer tab. You want to make sure that your audio is actually coming through. If it's not, then you want to click on the three dots and then click on properties. And then make sure that your device has been selected. And then click on OK. You should also set your decibels to -2 to prevent audio clipping. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, then click on more sound settings. And then you want to click on the recording tab. You want to make sure that your same device that you selected in OBS is set as your default device. You want to click on your device, then click on set default, and then the green tick will appear here, and then click on OK. Then you want to click on volume mixer. You want to look for OBS, and then you want to turn this to 100. And then you want to make the input device the same as you selected earlier as well. Now for the next step, you want to head back into OBS, and then next to your mic, you want to click on the three dots, then click on advanced audio properties. Now once you're on this, you want to tick volume, and then make your mic aux 80%, and then you're going to change your sync offset on your mic to 100 ms, and then you're going to change your audio monitoring for your desktop audio to monitor and output, and then your audio monitoring for mic aux to monitor only. Now for the next step, we're going to click on File in the top left, and then click on Settings. Then we're going to head over to the Audio tab. Then you want to set your mic audio to your default device again, and then click on OK. Now you want to reset your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.